Orchids. Is there a more bougie flower than orchids? I don't think so. Look at this. And they're right here as you walk in. A magnificent Christmas tree. The artwork at the Borgata is exquisite. Artwork all over. These are the lower floors. Elevators to the lower floors. Floor 3 to 18. Hey you all, if you all are considering coming to the Borgata, spend as much money as your budget can afford. Spend as much money as your budget can afford. I'm going to get into that in another video. But you see why. I'm going to catch this elevator here. I missed it. Huh? What? I got another one. Look here. When one door closes, another one opens.
Going.
There you go.
Going. Going.
Oh, mine is 19. Just look at it. My vision.
White cards.
Chocolate?
Maybe.
No, it's 20.
Excuse me.
Going up.
It's 20.
Next one.
20.
Oh my goodness. What floor is it?
Going up.
25th. All right. This 21. 20.
Yes, sir.
23rd.
This is the 23rd.
Going
That's
up.
you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Same to you guys.
Yes, sir. Our room is 2314. So this way.
Not this one. Not this one.
Oh, I am so tired. I am burned up. I am burned up. That trip to Vegas took everything out of me. But like I said, it was worth it. All right. This is our room here, 2314. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. The Borgata's rooms are just so inviting. They are just so inviting. If you're coming to the Borgata or an MGM property, spend as much money as your budget can afford. This is one of those stay well rooms. Chase Lounger. Look at the view. Yeah, we didn't get the best view. We got the 23rd floor, but I'm not being choosy right now. I wanted to get a room so I can start to relax. But this is the Atlantic City skyline. And the ocean view. A beautiful desk here to sit and work. Now, why do I say if you're coming to the Borgata or any MGM property for that matter, spend as much money as your budget can afford. Now, I'm not advocating spending over your budget. Don't do that. That's being reckless. That's being irresponsible. But spend as much money in an MGM property that your budget can afford. Because if you enjoy quality, if you enjoy opulence and luxury and the good stuff, you want to support it. And that, in my opinion, is what overall, now MGM does have some lower budget properties in Las Vegas, okay. They do have some lower budget properties. But even some of the lower budget properties are still good quality. You want to support this. You want to support this because when you spend as much money as your budget can afford, it helps to pay the people. It helps to maintain the upkeep of these properties. Because I love MGM properties. And if you're watching this channel, if you subscribe to this channel, a lot of the properties I'm going to be highlighting in my videos are MGM properties. MGM properties. The only other property you might hear me talk about in my videos is Ocean's Resorts in Atlantic City, which I would probably say is the Borgata's stiffest competition. what's that? Hard Rock. Hard Rock is doing its thing too. But for the most part, if you're watching this channel, I will be highlighting and showing you all MGM properties. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have a comment about your experiences at MGM properties, leave it down below. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I mean, my goodness, if you like this kind of content, you're going to get more of it. So go ahead and subscribe. All right, y'all. I'm going to get myself together, maybe take a nice hot shower, and I will probably head down to the pool and hot tubs and soak away the travel trauma that I experienced getting to Vegas yesterday. All right. Stay tuned, y'all.